In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile only accessible to logged-in users. If you want a little more control over who can view your profile, this is a useful setting to know. By adjusting your visibility options, you can limit public access and make sure your profile is not openly available to people browsing the web without signing in. This can be helpful if you want more privacy while still keeping your profile available to LinkedIn members. To get started, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top of the screen and click the Me icon. This opens a drop-down menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the main controls for your account, including privacy, visibility, and profile access settings. After you open Settings and Privacy, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click the Visibility tab. This section is specifically designed for managing who can see your profile, your activity, and parts of your network. If you've never visited this area before, take your time and make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Next, find the section called Visibility of your profile and network. Inside that section, click Public Profile Settings. This will take you to the area where LinkedIn lets you control whether your profile appears publicly outside the platform. Once that page opens, look over to the pane on the right side. Here you'll see the option to manage your profile's public visibility. To make your LinkedIn profile only accessible to logged-in users, disable the toggle for your profile's public visibility. When this setting is turned off, people who are not signed into LinkedIn will no longer be able to view your public profile. You may also see options that let you choose who can see certain parts of your profile. Review those carefully and select the visibility level that works best for you. This gives you more control over how much of your professional information is shared. After making the change, your settings should apply automatically. It's always a good idea to double-check the page and confirm that public visibility is turned off before you leave. And that's all it takes to make your LinkedIn profile only accessible to logged-in users.